Rise by lifting others.
My name is Chima Sobara, the NTAF coordinator, Imo State chapter. Standing here on behalf of my CEO, Dr. Chin Akano, to present this brand new sewing machine to Ms. Ifeyinwa Blessing as the winner of the last contest, of the last sewing machine contest that happened live in NTAF page. Ms. Ifeyinwa Blessing, congratulations.
Thank you.
Rise by lifting others.
Hey, I don't know where to start. I'm so overwhelmed. In fact, my joy has no ending.
Wow.
I want to use this opportunity to say thank you, Dr. Chin. Thank you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Long live in the Timothy Akano Foundation.
Amen.
I'm promising this particular foundation that I will continue to keep the flag of NTAF flying. And I promise to be dedicated both online and offline. I promise also to be active to the glory of God. And I'm also promising Naomi her Christmas wear.
Wow. Congratulations. Congrats.